Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix call forwarding not working after iOS 26 update. A lot of iPhone users are facing this kind of issue. So if you're also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone, in this video I will show you how you can fix that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings. Okay, in settings app you need to scroll down and find your apps. Okay, you can see a person screen apps showing here right now on my iPhone screen. So here you need to find phone option, calls option in your iPhone. Scroll down below, and as you can see phone option showing here right now. Here tap on phone option. Okay, after that you need to scroll down again. Okay, now you can see a person screen showing here call forwarding. Tap on that. Okay, and wait for a few seconds. Right now you can see a personal screen. This option is turn off in my iPhone. So if you want to active call forwarding option on your iPhone, just turn it on, and after that you need to enter a phone number that you want to forward your call. Okay, so by do that simple step you can easily fix that your iPhone call forwarding option not working. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications. Thanks for watching.